Imagine creating professional videos for your business without ever stepping in front of the camera. Leveraging the incredible power of AI, Avatar videos can now bring your message to life for any type of project. Here are a few examples to help you see what's possible.
When you book your free consultation today, you'll walk away with a personalized plan for your financial future.
What sets us apart is the way we guide clients through every step of the process with clarity and confidence.
Download our free guide to learn how to protect your health before small issues become big problems.
Our platform helps you save time, streamline projects, and stay organized, all in one place.
Finding the perfect dress should feel magical, and that's exactly what we deliver. As an event planner using these tools, I can keep every detail organized and focus on creating unforgettable events for my clients.
We treat your pup like part of our family, so you can relax knowing they're in good hands.
Oh my God, you guys have to try this app. It's seriously a game changer. This one feature literally just saved me hours and I'm obsessed.
If you're ready to break through your limits, click below and let's get started together.
This is the future of video. AI avatars can help you save time, cut production costs, and scale your message faster than ever. And yes, just to clarify, every single person you just saw in this video was 100% AI generated, including me. So now the only question is, how will you use AI-powered avatar videos in your business?